Das ist für Dezember. Jetzt haben wir ja erst November.
November.
Mhm.
It's your first day of school. Right over there. Far, far, far.
Mm.
So we got to walk, 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 and then down there.
Mhm. Da ist die Schule?
Yeah. We have to walk down low there.
Mhm.
And then there's your school.
Mm.
And then remember. On remember, you get to punch the grass and you'll be stuck.
Mm.
And your face will be clean. You will be clean, and then when you're stuck, I'll help you up.
Mm. Dankeschön.
And then silly things happen.
Was passiert dann?
On 12, you'll get to be a swallow from God.
That's about silly.
God's not gonna swallow you. It's just a silly story.
Ach so, okay. Das ist gut.
That tells you God that you have to obey Him, and that by 11, when you're by God, it'll say 11, and then you'll be swallowed from God, and then I'll steal you out. And it's just a silly story.
Mhm.
So I'm not going to subscribe with subscribe not yet by 11. I could subscribe by 11 when we're by God.
Okay.
Because that's a silly thing. It's only a silly story.
Mhm.
But on 12, you're going to be swallowed from a big fish, just like by Jonah.
Mm.
And then God is going to run by you.
Mhm.
And then walk in the fish's tummy, and then feed you out, and then bring you on the land.
Mm.
See?
Mhm.
That's only a funny story.
Mhm.
Now, remember December.
Mhm.
Then, not right there. I was going to swim with a fish that's swimming with a guy.
Mm.
That's a funny story. And then Neveline is the bee and then apple.
Ein Apfel?
Yeah.
Oh.
But 2 lumps and then a gump and then no lumps. That's only a funny story.
Mhm.
It's just when you go by lumps for a gumps for lumps, gumps, gumps.
So wie bei Dr. Seuss, huh? Mr. Gump, Hump, Wump.
With a gum for a lump for a gump, hump, dump. With the lump, it's a monkey with a mump.
Whoa.
That's only 3 funny stories that go with a lump is a monk is a lump is a lump. That's only when we stump for a lump for gump, hump, dump.
Mhm.
Is that computer on?
Welcher Computer?
No, your Futterapparat on.
Der Fotoapparat? Der ist an. Mhm.
Why?
Einfach so.
I don't like that on.
Nein. Soll ich ihn ausmachen?
Yeah.
Okay.